Hey guys, what's up? It's Spyro right here. Even though it's RK, I mean Spyro RK, I mean Ryan K or whatever. But so I'm gonna change it back to Spyro Ryan. So yeah. Um. So oh yeah, I'm gonna show you guys me pogo sticking in the house. Yeah, that's right. So here, I got the pogo stick ready, and so. So, uh, um, this is funny. Actually, it took me one day to figure out how to pogo stick. One day. So, the day I got this pogo stick, which was on Christmas, a few hours later, I already know how to do it. So, I learned it in one day, and it's actually true. I learned it in one day.
Yeah, it was true.
And one more time. Oh, here's some tips. Stay balanced, and yeah, try not. Oh no, but. So yeah, so this is a small pogo stick. So, if you're watching this and you're like this big, you'll probably mean like this big of one, but I'm a little kid. And you should wear socks because it'll hurt your feet because these are really bumpy, really bumpy. So I'll wear socks. If I don't wear socks, then I'll really hurt my feet. And I can't stand, so I jump off the pogo stick. Okay, just one more time. Oh my god. Yeah. Nice to be like a full area, like in a street or sidewalk stand. Yeah. See you guys next time.